Hey everybody, welcome to Rectum. Today I want to review something. I think this is going to be something. It's the Lectrofan, okay? But I think this is a good health-related, natural, drug-free way to help you sleep. I'm a horrible insomniac. Rarely can I just fall asleep. I have to read on an electronic device. Something about reading on my phone or my tablet makes me really, really drowsy. Another thing that makes me really drowsy is white noise. I didn't notice it until I was sitting in my office and I'm working on, whenever I'm in there and working on paperwork, I start to nod off. I can't stay awake. And somebody said it's the white noise, it's that constant drone of the fan. Well, I found the Lectrofan. At home I have to use the TV. I have to just have that going. And I set the timer and it's talking in the background. And I fall asleep. I also have tinnitus. I have this ringing in my ears. It's something that won't go away. And right now I don't hear it. Out and about during the day I don't hear it. But when it's quiet I can hear it. And it's pretty distracting. So anyway, always looking for the best way to fall asleep. And along comes the cat. Stinky. Along comes the Lectrofan. I see this, I say, why not? It's $40 or $50 or whatever it was on Amazon. I'll give it a try. It can't hurt. Can it hurt? I doubt that it can hurt. So let's do the unbox. So today we have guest appearances. This is Getty. He's a nice little guy. And this is Stinky. Yeah. So anyway, so I'll order it. Let me order it. Here's our unboxing. Abracadabra. Unboxed. I've been using this for a couple weeks before I talk to you about it. So I'm going to use this and let you know how it is. So it's high fidelity digital fan sounds. It says that. It says it on the box. So maybe it's got to be true. It's got an auto shut off timer. It's got an AC or USB power, so it comes with this little brick. You probably have a million of these laying around your house from everything you've bought with a USB. Now you have a million and one. But as I said, they send a long cord with it. I think the cord's about 5 feet long. What else does it tell you? It's white, pink, and brown noise. Not sure what the color of the noise is, but you know, we're gonna plug this in and give it a try. If you notice it when I hold it, it's big. It's big and it's got some heft to it. It's got a metal grill there and a real speaker. And one thing about this is, for those of you who suffer from tinnitus and those of you who have a hard time sleeping, noise machines can be just as distracting as the tinnitus or the insomnia, because what you hear is a loop. You can listen to it. And I had one that was a thunderstorm, and I could count. There was 3 thunderclaps, followed by 1 thunderclap, followed by like 4 thunderclaps. You just in the background, and then it would start over again. And I would always hear that. That got to be really distracting because I knew I wasn't near. There wasn't a thunderstorm. Another one was the babbling brook, and you can hear that, and I can hear the loop. It would actually make like a little click when the loop would start over, and I'm listening to this, I'm trying to sleep with that noise, and I say, well, I don't live by a babbling brook. Why am I hearing a babbling brook? This doesn't make sense. This is not helpful. So everything's got this click and this loop, and a fan works too, but then it blows air around the room, and it's like, oh, whatever. This thing comes along, and I think we're gonna crank it up, and let's see if you can hear it. Let's plug it in. This comes with a nice long cord. I keep this plugged in off into the corner, and it kind of fills the room with sound, and I'll be right back. There's an outlet right here, but I'm gonna kind of edit out me plugging it in. I'm back. I'm plugged in. Now, here it is. Let's turn it on. Crank up the volume. There's no loop. Can you hear it? So we're going to go through the white noises. I hope you hear this okay. Just a slight difference in pitch. I'm already sleeping. Cranked up the volume. It's pretty loud. So that little whoop was the end or the beginning of the noises. So you know you're scrolling back through them. So we're gonna do fan sounds now. I'm gonna crank this one up. Can you hear it all right? You can't answer me. Give a thumbs up if you can hear it. Give a thumbs up if you can't hear it. You can sleep through that, good for you. And then here's back to white noise. This is on. Now, I click the 60 minute, and give it a little dip. That tells me that I have set the 60 minute timer, and in 60 minutes, this will shut off. And within that 60 minutes, I should be asleep. And I'm noticing I have not heard this shut off. Suffice it to say, I can't really tell you. Am I asleep within 15 minutes of turning this on, or am I asleep within 59 minutes of turning this on? I don't know. All I know is I've never heard it shut off while I was sleeping. I've tried it to see if that 60-minute timer worked, or I just put this on while I was doing other things, and it's shut off in 60 minutes. I have not laid in bed listening to the drone of white noise or a fan until it turned off. I've always fallen asleep before this is shut off. This does exactly, for me, what it describes it's going to do, what it's intended for. For you, I recommend try it. You can't really go wrong. It's not going to hurt you. Rebox it and give it away, send it back. I don't know what to do if you don't like it. But what I will tell you is, this is one of my favorite electronic things I've ever purchased. There's no TV on for background noise now. I hit the power, hit the 60 minutes, and I go to bed. And I have it much quieter about here, and I'm asleep. I've never heard this shut off. It's really hilarious. That is the Lectrofan. How do you like that? Lectrofan. And there's no loop. There is no loop sound. You don't hear it starting over every 90 seconds. It's a constant tone for the whole hour. Constant sound. No distractions waiting for up there, up. Okay, that was the third thunderclap. It's gonna start over. No babbling brook. I don't live by a Do I live by a babbling brook? I'm in the desert. Yeah, we're gonna be 110 degrees. Babbling brooks don't survive in 110 degrees. Boom. A fan does survive in 110 degrees, and this is a great item. Great metal grill, nice box. It comes in, I think it comes in different colors. The picture shows us a black one and a white one. I got a white one because I don't know if that was all that was available or if black is going to show every speck of dust and would just drive me crazy. So, and the walls of the house are white. So there you go. The Lectrofan brought to you by Rectum. We're showing you. We're playing it. Enjoy it. Give it a try. This, to me, if you ask me what will I do when this dies, I'll buy another one right away. It's actually that good. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate you tuning in. Go ahead and click subscribe and you get to hear more stuff from me. I'll talk to you later. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.